In today's digital era, user experience defines business success, even in real estate. Our client approached us with one goal: to build a seamless, smart property portal that simplifies the entire buying, selling, and renting process. Their challenges were clear: outdated design, no automation, and manual lead handling. We started by redesigning their platform with an intuitive UI and integrated key functionalities. Online property booking, automated lead management, CRM integration, and real-time analytics. Buyers can now explore 360-degree property views, schedule visits, and make payments, all in one place. Agents get instant updates, reports, and insights that help close deals faster. The results? Increased engagement, smoother workflows, and a 3x rise in property bookings. At CodeRower, we don't just build software, we build growth solutions that transform real estate experiences. Let's connect and build your next-gen real estate software with CodeRower.
CodeRower, ready to streamline your operations? Our experts are here to help.